Welcome to our guide on how to make your own Roblox game in 2025. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox game development. Let's start by setting up your Roblox Studio environment. This is where the magic will happen. Understanding the game mechanics and features is crucial for creating an engaging game. Let's break these down. Now, let's explore how to create engaging gameplay through effective level design and clear objectives. Roblox has introduced exciting new features in 2025 that you can utilize for your game. Let's take a look. Next, we'll discuss how to incorporate 3D models and assets to make your game visually stunning. Let's get into the scripting basics. Lua programming is fundamental for making your game come alive. Testing and debugging are essential steps. Learn how to effectively troubleshoot and refine your game. Once your game is ready, it's time to publish. We'll go through effective marketing strategies to reach more players. Finally, let's talk about community engagement. Building a player base is key to your game's success.